If you want to change the touch sound on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Sounds and Vibration, and then we need to choose System Sound. Over here we can go to System Sound Theme, and here we can choose one of the 4 themes that provide a different touch sound. Of course, remember that the touch interactions in System Sound needs to be enabled. And then you can hear probably how it sounds like. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!